Bread for picking up broken glass. When a glass smashed on the kitchen floor, your grandmother did not reach for the dustpan first. She grabbed a thick slice of bread. Pressing the soft side firmly onto the floor, the bread picked up every tiny shard and splinter that bristles would miss. You could see the glass glinting in the white crumb. Then the whole slice went straight in the bin. This was especially important in homes where children ran barefoot on lino floors. A slice of Hovis cost practically nothing, and it was safer than any brush. Modern advice still recommends this method, but nobody thinks of it anymore, because we have been trained to reach for a product instead of a solution. Number 20. Bicarbonate of soda for everything. That yellow box of bicarbonate of soda was the most powerful cleaning product in your grandmother's house, and it cost sixpence. She scrubbed sinks with it, deodorized the fridge by leaving an open dish inside, polished silver with a paste of bicarb and water, and cleaned burnt pans by boiling a tablespoon in water for 10 minutes. The mild alkaline compound dissolved grease, neutralized acids, and acted as a gentle abrasive that would not scratch enamel or chrome. Mixed with vinegar, it created a fizzing reaction that blasted through clogged drains. One box replaced at least 4 separate products from your modern cleaning cupboard. Arm & Hammer now sell the exact same bicarbonate of soda, rebranded as a specialist cleaning product at 3 times the price. Your grandmother would have laughed. Number 19. Lemon juice for brass and copper. Every brass door knocker, letterbox and candlestick in post-war Britain gleamed because of half a lemon and a pinch of salt. Your grandmother would cut a lemon in half, dip the cut side in fine salt and rub it directly onto tarnished brass. The citric acid dissolved the oxidation, while the salt provided gentle abrasion. Within minutes, dull green-tinged metal turned golden and bright. A quick buff with a dry cloth finished the job. This trick worked on copper-bottom pans too, restoring them to a mirror shine. A lemon cost about twopence. Brasso cost a shilling and left your hands stinking of chemicals for hours. Some housewives preferred the lemon method precisely because it smelled clean, not industrial. When UPVC doors replaced wooden ones with brass fittings in the 1980s, the whole tradition of polishing the knocker disappeared, and with it, the knowledge that a lemon could do the job better than any tin of paste. First pattern break. Here is where things get interesting. Your grandmother did not buy fabric softener. It did not exist in British shops until Comfort launched in 1969. Before that, she used white vinegar in the rinse cycle. Half a cup added to the final rinse water softened clothes, removed soap residue, and kept colors bright. The acetic acid broke down the alkaline deposits left by washing soda and bar soap, leaving fabrics genuinely soft without coating them in synthetic fragrance. Towels washed with vinegar were more absorbent than towels washed with modern fabric softener because softener leaves a waxy film that actually repels water. Your grandmother's towels dried you faster. They smelled of nothing, which meant they smelled clean. Comfort and Lenore now sell billions of pounds worth of product every year. They literally had to invent a problem, static and stiffness caused by their own detergents, then sell you the solution. Your grandmother never had the problem in the first place. Number 17. Soda crystals for drains. Blocked drains were a weekly battle in terraced houses with narrow Victorian pipework. Your grandmother's weapon was a cup of soda crystals dissolved in boiling water, poured straight down the plug hole every Friday night. The sodium carbonate cut through grease and soap scum before it could build up into a proper blockage. For tougher clogs, she would follow with a kettle of boiling water and leave it overnight. By morning, the drain ran clear. A bag of soda crystals cost about 4pence and lasted a month. A plumber cost 10 shillings. Mr. Muscle Drain Unblocker costs £4 today and contains sodium hydroxide, which is harsher, more dangerous, and less effective at prevention than the weekly soda crystal flush your grandmother swore by. She never needed a plumber for a blocked drain, not once. Number 16.